Welcome students. So now we are going to start your topic peak value of alternating current or voltage. This is the class 12 topic or the chapter alternating current. So start with the topic instantaneous value of a current I or EMF E. The value of a current in an AC circuit at any instant of a time is called as instantaneous current. That I is equals to I naught sine omega t, where I is equals to I naught sine omega t plus phi if there will be a phase difference. So where omega t plus phi is called a phase and phi is a phase difference over there. The value of EMF in an AC circuit at any instant of a time is called instantaneous, the value of E. Here as you can see, a term will be nominated here, that is I naught. This I naught is nothing but a peak value of a current. This is also called a maximum value of current. So E is equals to E naught sine omega t or E naught sine omega t plus phi. Again, omega t plus phi is denoted for the phase difference. Peak or maximum value of a current is I naught or E naught for the EMF in the case of EMF. So the maximum value of a current or voltage in an AC circuit is called as a peak value or a crest value or amplitude. As you can see over there, this is a alternating current symbol. If this will be I or I E naught. In the case of a current time, so this will be I naught and T graph, and this is the case for an EMF, is the E naught and T graph. Mean value or average value of alternating current. So an arithmetic average of an instantaneous value is a sine wave for a half cycle is called mean or average value. It is denoted as a I average or E average. Here half cycle is used because a full cycle the average current is 0. So alternating current or voltage during the first half cycle is 0 to T by 2, and for the positive and during the half cycle T by 2 to T this will be negative. So overall that will be 0. It is given by I average is equals to 2 by pi I naught. Here again I naught is a what? This is a peak value of a current. And I average is equals to the value of 2 by pi, where pi is 3.14. We just put this value and get the result 0.637 times I naught or 63.7% of the I naught case. Similarly, for the E average, we can calculate this value over there. Average value of a current over half cycle is I average is equals to 2 I naught by pi, which is equals to 0.637 I naught. We have an proof also. So average value or the mean value of a function time t from t1 to t2 is defined as that f average is equals to t1 to t2 at the integration f t dt or the function of a time t derivative. So next one is a t divided by t1 to t2 integration of a dt. If we solve this function, the mean or average value for the half cycle will be comes like I average 0 to t by 2 I t dt. We just put this value I is equals to I naught sine omega t dt and the value of a dt. So after integration what we get 2 by t I naught minus cos omega t by omega 0 to t by 2. I'll just do little bit solution over there. So like I naught will be the constant factor. I'll just put outside this factor. What we get 0 to t by 2 sine omega t dt. Okay, and similar there will be only dt. Okay, this is a part of a like numerator. As a numerator, so sine omega t this will be converted to the cos sine. The integration of a sine omega t is a minus cos omega t. So if I'm just taking the numerator part, so I naught 0 to t by 2 sine omega t dt. So this will become 1 by omega I naught minus cos omega t, 0 to t by 2. And if we just do the integration of that, this will becomes t 2 by t. So omega t will become here and t will be there, and with the factor I naught. Okay, so we can write over there as a 2 I naught by t omega, as we got here, minus cos omega t, 0 to t by 2. I hope this you understand. After solution, we know that this value omega is equals to 2 pi by t. We just put this value over there and the 2 will be cancelled out and the similarity t will be cancelled out. The result we will get I naught by pi minus cos. If we just put this value like t by 2 instead of a small t, we just put upper limit then lower limit with the minus sign. So after putting all these value, like cos pi is equals to minus 1 and cos 0 is equals to plus 1. If I just put this value, the result will come I average is equals to 2 I naught by pi. This is the average value of a current which we calculated earlier. Similarly, the mean value of EMF is E average is equals to 2 E naught by pi is equals to 0.637 times E naught. I hope you are able to understand the peak value and the relation between the peak value and the average value of a current and the voltage also. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching this video, students.